Bill Dasno-Mann. I am here from the NumberSide to help you all with the second part of the snow week. Because you'll remember it snowed so much in the NumberSide, we have been able to do so much fun. I have today some school children coming to me for the skiing. And I am in charge of sorting out the skis and the snowboards and the socks. So we are trying to sort all that out today. We are going to work out how much it's going to cost everybody. And we're going to work out how many times everyone is going to get to go down the slope. We call this a run. You see, we come from the top all the way down and to the bottom. And that is called one run. And how we're going to work out how many different runs. So stay with me. If this is your first time in the NumberSide, welcome. If you come all the time, then welcome back. It is very good to see you. Hopefully you saw the snow day 1 earlier this week. Or maybe you saw it ages ago. Or maybe you just came and you just saw it a minute ago. Hopefully you're enjoying the videos. And I am going to be able to help you do some mathematics in NumberSide today. Yeah! So we come over to NumberSide now, you see. Here is the NumberSide. And NumberSide is all in the right places because it is very important that we have all the snow. You can see all the snow has been falling and everyone is very cold but very happy because we love all the snow. And this is what is happening. I am here and there is some communication errors, you see. Everything is going so quickly through the, here is the thing, and I should be here just sorting myself out in 2 moments. Here I go, 3, a 2, a 1. Hello! It is me, Bill Dasno-Mann. Now, we're going to first of all be talking about the skis, the snowboards, and the socks. Have you been skiing before? You have? If you've been skiing before, then maybe you know about these things. Sometimes you do on skis with the two, one on each foot. Sometimes they're very clever people. They do the snowboard with everything on one board, you see, a bit like a skateboard. It's very good and it goes very fast. And they can do loopy-loopy around the corner, and they can go up and down, around, and it's very, very clever. So you may have seen this on the television, or you may have seen this. You may have done this yourselves. So this all the skiing time we're going to show you. First of all, I need to get some equipment together because the children have arrived from the school for the skiing trip, and I haven't got it all ready yet. So let's go straight on and find out what we need to do. As you can see, so far I have got myself 1 snowboard. This is on the left. I have got myself 2 skis because you have to have 2. You can't go down on 1. They're one per leg. If you only have 1 ski, then you're going to struggle. And then we have 1 pair of socks. The problem, you see, if you get your parents to download the worksheet, you must have the worksheet to go with the lesson. That is in the link below the video. You will see I need 8 children who are doing the skiing. So you need to draw some more skis so that we have enough for 8 children. We have 5 children doing the snowboarding. They are very clever. You need to draw some fancy snowboards. You will see when you draw the snowboard, draw lovely patterns. This is my lightning snowboard. You can see my lightning snowboard. You want some different designs and patterns on the snowboard. And then the socks. All the socks must come in pairs, but they must all be different colors. Make sure you don't have any the same. You try and do lots of different colors. But this is a remembering thing. If you have skis, you still need socks. If you have the snowboard, you still need the socks. Everybody needs the socks. So do make sure you have enough socks. So, make sure you pause the video now and have a go at getting your drawings done. Bye-bye. Have you come back now already? I hope you've got some equipment ready for us because it's time for us to start paying for it. Not us. They have to pay us. Yeah. So, what I have done is I have special prices for my children in the NumberSide. I have £5 will get you some skis. £10 will get you the special super snowboards. And £2 for everybody's socks. Because they've got to have some funky colour socks to wear on the slopes. So, I have set it all out so everyone can find out how much it's going to cost everybody. I have started off the chart, but I've run out of time. Can you finish the charts for me? So, it's basically, this is how it works. In the skis, you count in 5. So 5, 10. What comes next? I think it's 15. Counting up underneath each person, you write down the number. The number that is in the blue for 8 people, because we have 8 lots of skis, that is going to be the first one you write in your total. Then we do the same with the snowboards. But this is 10, so we have to count into tens. The 10s and the 20s, and what comes next after the 20. Count up and then write out the total from the 5. And then total socks, you can see there are 13. This is because there are 8 children for the skis, 5 children for the snowboards. When they all come together in a big messy mess, they make 13 children. So we need 13 socks. We're counting up in the 2s. 2 and the 4 and the 6 and I think it's the 8. Counting up all of the numbers, and then the number for the 13 is the final one for the adding. Now, if you're super clever, you can add up all those yourself in your head or on the paper. But if you need to, you can use a calculator. That is fine for the total. When you have a total for the 8 skis, a total for the 5 snowboards, and a total for the 13 socks. Can you go and do that now? Maybe you pause and have a go at it on your worksheet that is in the description below. Off you go. Welcome back. It's me again. Were you gone for a long time or just a short time? While you were gone, I was doing a little dance. I was doing this dance. Way! I like to do this dance while people are doing this mathematics. Now, the final thing we have to talk about is the runs. Some people, they had to do some training. I had to do some training of the people, so they didn't get to do as many as they wanted. So we have said to them that this afternoon they may do some more runs. But because they ski at different speeds, we have to work out how many runs they are able to do. So what I have done is I have got it all in a table for you. Don't worry, you don't have to do anything complicated. I've got this for you. Here it is. And you can see, some of them have gone down the black run. The black run is super steep, very scary, I don't like. We have the red one is for medium people. And the blue one is for if you're just new to the skiing, you want to do gently down, have a good time, fun times. You can see that is where the run that you would go down. Now, as you can see, I have some of the children have come down, and we need to work out how many runs they're going to do. Remember, run is from all the way from the top to all the way at the bottom. So Elsa, she has done 4. She has to do 2 more runs. So we have to count on from 4, 2 more. 4, and I will show you with my fingers. 4, 2 more. 1, 2. That is going to be a total of 6. So go ahead and put 6 in your box for Elsa. You need to do the same now for Anna and Olaf and Christoph and Pavi and Honeymaran. If you can do all of them, then you can work out how many runs they all get to do. A bonus question for the year 3s, maybe even the year 2s, for the clever kittens. If you can, maybe you can find out how many runs they do in total. All of the runs. The 4 and the 2 and the 7 and the 3, add them all together. But that is only if you really want to. It's up to you. But this is what I need you to do for me today. Okay. So, that is a lot for you to be getting on with, I think. Thank you so much for coming to the NumberSide this week. I hope it has been helpful for you. I have certainly had a good time. Have you had good times? I've had good times. Good times. So, carry on with the day. Enjoy your weekend. If you've still got snow in your places in the country, enjoy the snow. If it's ice, I do not like the ice because sometimes it's the heavy and it's not very nice. But if you got the snow, have some good times. If you haven't got the snow, still have some good times. Always have the good times. That is what I say. Always have the good times. So, early in the week we had Drew, you won, I helped you. And I have been Bill Dasno-Mann. So, thank you very much for joining us for the NumberSide. See you soon. Bye. And thank you for coming for the NumberSide. It's good to see you. Bye.